If you don't know how to add multiple photos on one Instagram story, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple and very easy. So go ahead to your Instagram and let's go ahead and click on our profile at the top left-hand corner and add a story. I'm just going to pick a picture here. So when you have a picture, typically you would just go ahead and post a story like you normally would with fonts or pictures or mentions, but you want to add multiple photos. So once you have your first photo here, you want to use your fingers and make this a little bit smaller. And from here, you want to go to the stickers icon at the far right side. And you just want to go and find the photo area here and go and click photo. And then this is going to allow you to go ahead and choose other photos here. And then you can keep on doing the same thing. Doesn't really matter how many photos that you want to add. So I'm just going to keep on picking photos here. And you can go ahead and add as many photos as you want. And then from here, you can go ahead and add some font. You can go ahead and hit some other stickers or GIFs or anything that you want to do. So I'm just going to add something here. Go ahead and add another sticker, and you can really go ahead and go crazy and customize what you want to put on your Instagram story. So we can go ahead and go and share it with the arrow and share it like a normal story. So from this point forward, you'll be able to add multiple photos, multiple things on one story rather than having multiple stories and things like that. It's very easy just to have it in one spot. And that's it.